You probably haven't thought about BlackBerry in years, but the market just did. BlackBerry Limited surged more than 13% in a single session, with additional gains after hours. So what's driving it? Not smartphones, not messaging, artificial intelligence. Through its QNX division, BlackBerry is expanding its partnership with NVIDIA, and the focus is actually quite specific. AI systems that operate in the real world, where mistakes are not an option. Think technologies used in cars, factories, hospitals, and advanced machines that need to react instantly and safely. QNX is already known as a highly reliable software system used in critical environments. Now it's being combined with NVIDIA's AI computing platform to support the next generation of intelligent, real-time systems. So instead of AI just living in apps and chatbots, it's slowly moving into physical systems around us. Of course, this is still an evolving space, and outcomes are not guaranteed, but it highlights a clear trend in the market. AI is expanding beyond software into the physical world. If you want a clearer way to understand how these shifts in AI and technology are shaping broader market opportunities, White Tip Investments focuses on helping clients better understand complex market developments within a structured, long-term framework.